Yo, y'all see that damn eyelash is fucking crazy.
Shit. Can you see?
Hell yeah, God.
Can you see?
Damn.
Oops, yeah, my bad, that's your girl, we can share it. Might buy her diamonds and pearls, but can't marry.
Hey man, what the fuck going on? It's your boy Yusuf right here. We got another video. Dig what I'm saying, but it's currently, what time is it? Goddamn 7:30 in the morning. 7:30 in the morning on a Saturday on my off day, right? I'm on the way to go to my homie house with the blue Type R, my boy Darius, you know what I'm saying? Cause we about to go pick up an exhaust for his Type R all the way in damn Virginia. Bro, on my off day, it's 7 in the morning, bro. You know I really fuck with you because it's 7 in the morning and I'm driving to your house so we can go pick up this shit, man. Bro, I said damn, bro. Bro, goddamn. But we on the way there right now. When I get there, I'm gonna hit y'all. We about to get a, I think it's called the Invidia R400. Don't quote me on that shit. I don't know if that's the real name of the exhaust. But we on the way to his crib right now. So when we get there, I'm gonna hit y'all up. You know, and yeah, a little road trip, a little 3-hour road trip. So I'll hit you when we get there. Bye, man. So we and my boy already. We on the way to, you know, pick up.
Get this loud ass exhaust.
You know, what is it? It's the Invidia
R400.
Yeah, we about to go get it.
We got a catless HKS. HKS front pipe, down pipe catless. This motherfucker about to be stupid.
That motherfucker. Oh, at 3,000.
Low key, I'm excited, but I don't know. I'm gonna have to buy that, what's that shit called?
What?
It's called a vibrant resonator, so it doesn't drone on the inside.
For real?
Yeah. Because I was talking to the dude about it, and he was just like, he didn't know nothing about it. I was on Facebook looking hard because I'm like, nigga, I don't know, nigga. There are a lot of people sell their fucking Invidia to go to HKS, but yeah, HKS kind of quiet, nigga. I don't want no quiet shit. I'm trying to collect these necks.
Bro, my shit is not loud. I ain't gonna lie to you. My shit, damn, this fucking, my shit not loud.
I think you just need the catless down pipe.
Yeah, no, it'll be loud. It'll be loud with the catless, but like, it's cool. It's like enough for me to like.
It's good. It's good enough where you can hear.
Yeah, motherfucker, spraying water like a motherfucker. But what is that? 3-hour drive?
3 hours and some change.
So we'll hit y'all whenever we stop.
I'll see you soon.
Yeah, see you soon, buddy. So, so we'll hit you whenever we like go stop, or I don't know. I'll record some shit around the way. But let's get it. We just gotta. Where we at?
We in Virginia. About to get this this exhaust. Had to, you know, take a piss break. You know, drinking monsters and shit.
You know, how far are we? Like 2. Probably like 2 hours away. Walk on the damn Virginia where you don't need to speed.
You know, we ain't speeding in Virginia now.
Ain't no way.
Can't catch no ticket.
But tickets out here ruthless. Woo, you done.
Fuck that out here. Ain't never gonna make it home.
You know, go to sleep here.
They got that shit that get the jets. The jet be catching your speed. You can't get away from no jet.
What are you talking about?
You never seen the sign posted? It's like they said it's monitored by flight radar.
Yeah.
I can't think of the name.
We'll see one.
You gonna see it.
Oh, look at my homie. They go Cam. Yeah. It's a fucking Sonata. That shit gone though. Same it.
Because I consider taking out my hoodie.
Oh no, I ain't no taking out my hoodie. But
go ahead and get your brand.
Get your brand. You know, get your shit today, you whore. But we about to keep driving, and I'm gonna give you a little clips right about now. Ooh, that shit, man.
I love manual because you can be aggressive as fuck.
Yeah.
Because you know how the yellow look behind you.
The what? Oh yeah. That should be looking hard.
That bitch looks fire as fuck.
That shit sound good as fuck. I'm about to order that shit right now. Hey Siri, open up PRL intake Type R.
Hey, you never know. You might find out.
But shit, we'll find another one. But we on the way now.
The exhaust with the Invidia and the PRL intake is
your shit
so
crazy.
You can hear that whistle.
We got mount that shit today.
Shit, I fucking wish.
Depends what time we get back, honestly.
It really depends, and it depends on how much it costs.
Yeah.
Nigga, you're gonna be homeless out here.
Alright, we'll see.
You gotta pay that rent.
Damn, bro, this camera make me look white as shit. Look at this shit.
Hey, nigga,
I gotta fix it.
It's fall/winter. You know, summer ain't here yet.
Wait, cause summer?
This is the best part about light skin. Us light skin niggas, we ultra light skin. You know why? We can change colors. We seasonal niggas. You like dark skin? No offense to dark skin niggas, but nigga, you permanently dark. Nigga, I can go dark a little bit. You know, summer. Lay outside.
I ain't say that shit. So I'm wearing no bullshit about Vert in the comments. I ain't say nothing. I ain't even agree. I ain't do nothing.
Nigga, all you gotta do is laugh. He agrees. I say it for you. I don't give a fuck. You know, nigga, I'm team light skin. I'm that nigga. I hashtag team light skin because you know these girls like team light skin.
Bruh, no, bruh. I be getting hit with the, I don't do light skins. Bitch, fucking me, yo, the fucking light skin.
Okay, bet. Let me go outside real quick.
I'll be right
Let
back.
me go 10.
Let me go.
What
Give me
about
like,
now?
give me like a day. Give me like 2 days. Give me like a week in the
Look
sun.
right here.
What?
Speed limit enforced by aircraft. There you go. That's what I was
What
talking
the
about.
fuck?
That, yeah, because I seen it on Facebook. This girl posted, she said she was speeding and she got a ticket in the mail or something like that, and they said that they got her through the jet. I'm like, nigga, what?
Ain't no
The
way.
jet? I didn't think nothing of it. I thought it was a bunch of bullshit. Nah.
That shit there.
I'm
They're
doing
not catching us.
4 miles over. That's all they get.
If you see a Type R on the news, it's us.
Yeah.
Viral.
But it's nice though, because the Type R is clutch. Nobody has one, and when you do see one, that's me. Or him.
Especially, and you know it's one of us for sure. Especially if you see a blue one, and then you see another one, oh, it's me for sure. For sure.
That shit.
Look, we'll stop at the gas station right quick. Get some food. And you know, my man getting some love.
Yeah, I'm on the way right now to get exhaust.
Alright.
Yep. He has been TikTok famous so many times. They keep banning his account and shit.
For real?
Yeah, but I mean, he's TikTok famous. He's trying to get these accounts back up.
Yeah, hit
and
me
they
up.
keep banning them. You gotta start over.
And I should drove mine. This what happens when you don't drive your Type R. Every time I don't drive my car, this what happens. Oh, let me would have drive mine. Wrong what happened. I would have drove mine. Nobody would have.
TikTok name.
I can't wait to get exhaust. Get enough. I already bought a HKS front pipe, down pipe catless. Got an Invidia. Gotta go get one right now.
We got a 2-hour trip left? An hour? Something like that?
We got an hour left.
We'll be there soon.
I'm gonna get one more spin and I'm done. Oh, okay.
We good, bro. They going crazy.
Oh, I don't even know why.
You gotta go to the future or something with 3 exhaust pipes.
It's a 4-cylinder. 4-cylinder with turbo.
Up the car, bro.
No thanks, bro. No thanks.
I clean it up for you niggas to breathe. Don't care, that don't matter.
Oh, I got videos when it's clean too. But it's hollow, there ain't no point.
Oh, I'm sorry.
This fucking wind is crazy. They going crazy for the whip. No kissing.
I'm gonna do tricks now.
I'll be practicing too. It's like freezing out.
But freezing like I'm off. Take me back to NC. What? I'd like to tell you one thing, bro.
The yellow gold.
I'm trying to be like you when I grow up, bro. I'm trying to be like you when I grow up.
He lied. Can't wait to see that edit.
I'll send you his stuff.
iPad or a Samsung? I just bought the S22 yesterday. This shit dumpling.
I'm about to send you his stuff. I follow him, so I'll send it to you.
Nigga, reason I know you fucking cool.
Why?
You know what? I'm gonna go take me a piss. We'll go to Keys.
Oh yeah, I'll see you, bro. Alright, yo. For sure. See ya. about to sit in this motherfucker. Tripping. You want me to drive, bro? I'll drive. Hell no. Fuck that shit. I be damn. Alright, that was going crazy for the whip, bro. That's crazy. That's some good shit, bro. It was going dummy. Damn, fuck, I went to the wrong door. Hey, yo, he went to the wrong door. He looking sick. What the fuck is playing, bro? It's not my shit, but yeah, we like an hour away. Shout out to them. If y'all see this video, I got your TikTok, bro. If you see this video, we fuck with you heavy. Appreciate the love type shit, you know. But we like an hour away. We'll be there at 12:30. It's 11:25, so we'll be there soon. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. You know, we might get that shit mounted today, the exhaust, but I don't know yet. But that's just besides the point. You know what I'm saying? We're about to get back on the road, gang. Yo, y'all see that damn eyelash is fucking crazy.
Shit, can you see?
Hell yeah, God.
Can you see?
Damn.
Can you see what that?
That shit is fucking
She playing hide and go see.
bro. I know her eyes hurt like a motherfucker, bro. Them shits is wild. Hey man, so we just got the exhaust. It's back there. Well, that's an HK Xbox.
Yeah, his old exhaust box. But I'm
cool.
I heard that
cool,
shit in
you know?
person and that.
Yeah, it ain't like that.
It wasn't it.
So we about to roll back to North Carolina. We just got some Chick-fil-A. This video is sponsored by Chick-fil-A. Damn, copyright like crazy. That's fucked up.
No,
We about to get demonetized.
Cut it out.
So look, we just got some, bro. Chick-fil-A. Video sponsored by Chick-fil-A. Use code VERT for 5%.
Yeah, funny as fuck.
Can you imagine? I'm about to pull up one day and ask that shit. Yeah, I got told to use code VERT for like 5% off on meal. But
Man, this shit dusty. Look at this shit. What the fuck is that pollen?
oh yeah, you
damn,
can
why
see
does
it
it
too.
look like that?
Now,
Oh, I got it.
not the glasses.
Fuck.
Your glasses about to have pollen like a
Man, this
motherfucker.
shit sensitive as fuck.
But we about to roll back down, and I don't know what we're doing. Probably nothing. I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah, probably not. Like, bro. You know, watch this man video so we can get this money.
Yeah, please do something. Share this shit or do something for the damn. God damn, I'm tired of working, boy.
If these niggas out here and you two can make it, we can make it too. What you mean?
Man, well, my video ain't that bad. Ain't no way.
No, that shit fire. The quality is dope.
Yeah, quality cool. Who the fuck is running? Go, Becky. Go.
Wow.
But anyways, we'll hit you when we get down on the way back, you know? Bow. Oh, the fire. Oh, shit. I don't know what the fuck. Shit, that's hard, bro. It's a new one, too. It's like 2020. Look at down traffic. Yeah.
Ooh, that
Hey.
one sucked. That man. 1, 2, 1. Auto been going fucking.
Boy, 1, 2, 1. You would have been like, Bert, you want to drive now? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, your turn. Boy, what the fuck? God damn. What the
Damn, nigga, look how long it
This
is.
shit crazy. I would have stalled out, but that's besides the point.
He would have been done.
Boy, bro. Oh shit, come on, bro. Yo, nah. I would have lost it. I would have turned around, bro. I would have got an Uber back, bought that shit. Hey man, so we made it back, you know. We back in my, damn, that shit wasn't trying to start. But we back in my Type R. How the drive wasn't bad, huh?
6 hours. That's just 6 hours in one day.
6 hour trip, you know, we made it.
$100, $125 in gas. God damn, $125. That shit, wow.
That's not bad though.
It's not bad for a Type R.
Yeah, that was half a tank though.
Half a tank, yeah.
Yeah, half a tank, so we
Really
ain't even.
like- How much gas? Basically a tank, right?
Yeah. Nah.
No, taking
A tank and a half of another. Yeah.
shit like that. It's whatever.
Yeah. But if you enjoyed the video, you feel me? I'm gonna put some clips or some shit or
I'm gonna
something.
have to do content coming soon.
Yeah, my boy
We
finna
gotta
get, you know
keep
what I'm
making
saying?
some content.
So I'm gonna hit y'all. I might vlog tomorrow. I don't know. But if I do, it's in this video. If I didn't, well, it's another video. But make sure you guys subscribe, comment, follow my boy. You know.
Right there.
You know the vibes. Follow it right now. Oh, your mom still help. Let me stop.
Your mama's a hoe.
But nah, y'all make sure y'all subscribe, comment. You know the vibes. Bye.